guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not already figured out by the intro, today I'm going to be doing my very first clean with me. And as you guys can see, my living room and my kitchen needs a little bit of TLC. So today that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. If you guys like these types of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, then girl, go ahead and subscribe. All right, so without further ado, let's get cleaning. Now, if you're an adult and don't have the Dawn Powerwash dish spray, I just know that you are over there working harder and not smarter. You guys, this is the holy grail of any type of cleaning product you can have in your kitchen. All you do is spray your pots and pans and any type of stuck on food or grease. After a couple minutes, will be able to wipe away. So if you guys don't have it, you definitely need to go to the store to grab it. Now right here, I am just offloading the dishwasher just so I can load it back up again. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I washed dishes so much when I was younger by hand that I don't like touching dishes unless I just absolutely have to. Now, with an exception to most of my pots and pans, like if I have stuff like stuck on grease or anything like that, I do prefer to wash them by hand. But everything else, honey, I am throwing in the dishwasher because I hate the chore of washing dishes. I really do. So I choose not to, and I just will load that dishwasher up in a heartbeat. Now, specifically for the kitchen, I try not to use paper towels because I would literally go through a roll of paper towels every time I cleaned up the kitchen. So instead, I use this little cloth that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it does such a great job of just scrubbing things off of the counter without scratching the counter. And it's very absorbent, so I can wipe up those messes. And once I'm done, I just simply throw it into the washer. So this is the pan after the Dawn Powerwash spray has been sitting on it for a couple minutes. And I'm just going to take this Dollar Tree sponge with an abrasive side and I'm just going to wipe the pan. Guys, look at that. Look how it just comes off with the one swipe. And look at all the residue that came off. So this makes it so much easier for me to clean. And what I like to do next is just to add a little water to the pan and continue to just scrub away all of that grease and that grime. And after that, you guys, it is pretty much clean, although I will still stick it in the water with the bleach and the Dawn soap just to make sure it is extra clean. But for the most part, the Dawn Powerwash did all of the hard work for me. Now this next cleaning hack is also from TikTok, and what you're going to do first is you're going to pour your baking soda down your garbage disposal, and you really need to make sure that you get it deep down inside of there. And then next you're going to follow that with some vinegar, any type of vinegar. I know that they have cleaning vinegar, but I just use regular vinegar. And you're going to pour that down there as well, and you're going to see this stuff just start to fizzing, and that means that it's working. It's cleaning, it's deodorizing your garbage disposal, getting rid of those nasty smell, that nasty dirt and the nasty food that goes down it, and it's going to be just like new once it's done.